I'm Dan, this is Laura, and this is the Dowlers. We haven't been on for a while, but we are back for another food review. And today we have a treat for you guys. We are going to be doing 5 bags of Allen's lollies. Now to start off, we will have, inspired by oat, is flavoured milk bottles. We have the new ice pops. I think they were only released the other day, weren't they?
I think so,
Yeah.
yes.
We'll have
Does it say
yogurt berry cups, yogurt smoothie bites, and sherbet cones. Alright, I think these have been out for at least 6 months, but first time I've seen them in our Woolworths, so let's start with them. So by the looks of it, there should be three different flavours. The chocolate, caramel and pink, so this is what they look like. So we'll give 3 Laura. What flavour do you want to start with?
Whatever.
Well, let's go natural and we'll start with the vanilla one.
Is that supposed to be just normal?
I'm not sure. Well, by the looks of it on the packet, it's meant to be like caramel or something, but it just tastes like a normal milk bottle.
Yeah, vanilla malt.
Yeah. But it doesn't even taste like vanilla. It just tastes like your normal milk bottles. Alright.
They're meant to be chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla malt.
Yeah, alright. Well, next we'll go the
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Does it taste like strawberry to you? Just.
A little bit. You can taste a little bit of strawberry in it. So that's a start. But you can taste more of milk bottle, and we'll go the chocolate one.
Flavours aren't very strong, but they're there.
You can taste that it's got a bit of chocolate in it, but the flavours aren't very strong. They're nice. I'll give them, I think they're nice. I do like a milk bottle. They're nice, but the flavour could be a bit more stronger in the free. The vanilla one, you can't even taste vanilla malt, and
No,
from
they just
drinking,
say like
yeah,
milk.
drinking the oats, so I like vanilla malt, and it's nothing like what an actual vanilla malt tastes like. It's the normal milk bottle. Alright, well next, let's go. What do you reckon next?
Okay, so these are the new ones.
Yeah, these are the new ones just released the other day now.
The yogurt berry cups first.
Yep. Is there maybe like several different flavours or
We're meant to have
strawberry,
strawberry, blueberry, and blackberry.
blackberry? Alright, so let's see if Alan's got the flavour right in these ones. Alright, so this is what these look like. Obviously the blackberry, what was it? Blackberry, blueberry and
Blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry.
so obviously blackberry there, strawberry there, nice and red, and the blueberry there. So let's get the strawberry out of the way because I really do not like strawberry. It's got a better strawberry flavour to it. And you can taste it. You can taste the yogurt flavour.
Yeah. They're much closer to what they're meant to be.
These ones got better. Oh, which one do you reckon, blackberry or blueberry?
Whichever.
Let's go to blackberry.
one's actually really nice.
It's got a strong texture to it too. And of course, when Laura's finished, the blueberry. Not as much as that one.
No.
The flavour's not coming out very much with the blueberry.
Blackberry one's the nicest.
Blackberry probably has the most flavour come through too.
Yeah.
So on the yogurt thing in the end, we'll go the yogurt smoothie bite, and these have the flavours of meant to have sweet strawberry, mango, and vanilla. Oh, great! I usually don't like strawberry or mango, so here we go. But that one, and
I wonder.
so if you want to show the people what them ones look like.
The colours are very faint on these ones.
Yeah. You might not be able to see it on camera. Oh, you can see. You can see
Yeah, it should show up.
that one should be your mango. It's more of an orange colour. Obviously vanilla, it's pretty easy, and should be strawberry if it's right. So let's get the vanilla out of the way, like, because it's a normal colour. That is not nice.
They look like they should be marshmallows,
Yeah, but they're
but
hard.
they're hard,
Let's go the mango next.
which is that one.
So far the vanilla was not nice. Can't even taste the mango in that. It tastes like the vanilla one, but it's definitely mango. Honestly, not very nice. Strawberry.
Barely saw a difference in flavours.
No, yeah. It's only because of the colour that you know. Smoothie bites, not too nice. Alright, well, that wraps that one up. My personal opinion, I would not buy them again. But let's go the ice
So
pop.
the ice pops next. And we're meant to have strawberry and lemonade flavours.
Okay. Only 2 flavours go through.
Sounds like the cat's being horrible. Oh, they're kind of cute.
And this is what they look like.
Like
Actually look like icicles. We'll go with the red first this time. Oh, it's a red raspberry.
Actually, tastes like a raspberry
Mm-hmm.
for starters.
It's actually nice, and the flavour's coming through good. Bit chewy, but it's like a red frog. It's
It just tastes
meant
like
to be chewy.
them raspberry,
Red frogs.
little raspberry
Oh, the
lollies. What are they called?
yeah, raspberries.
I think they're actually called raspberries. Yeah.
Or the red frogs. Got that.
Yeah, that too.
And now this is what lemonade.
Lemonade. Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's coming now.
Yeah, definitely lemonade. Takes a couple of seconds for the lemonade to kick in, but when it does, it's like you're actually drinking the drink. That's nice. I like it. I like the ice pops.
It's like the lemonade bits in the middle.
Yeah.
You've got to get to it.
Right, and next we're gonna go, well obviously last, the sherbet cones. But the flavours are berry, lemon, and lynch flavour. I don't
Light.
know. Lynch?
Lychee?
Lychee
Yeah,
maybe?
lychee, I think it is.
Lychee. I don't know what that is. Never tried it before. we'll give it a crack.
Give it a fruit.
There we go. Shall we come
So
in with
what are
that?
they?
Berry.
Sherbet cones.
Yeah, maybe
So
berry,
they look
lemon.
kind of funny.
If you look at
Very
the stuff, if
strange.
you look at it properly, it actually looks like a cone, but it's because it's all one color. It doesn't.
Oh wow. Maybe.
If you're looking at it very close, like I am, because you can see
Maybe.
the cone part too. So we'll start with the dark red one.
That one
I
first.
don't know what it is.
What are we meant to go?
I think it's the berry.
Persian berry.
Tastes like a white lolly with the red in the middle. When you eat the red part,
Mm.
what are they called? Whatever they're called.
Strawberries and creams.
That's it. But I'm guessing this is the lychee, so let's get this one out of the way because I don't know if it's going to be sweet or sour or. No, it doesn't really have a flavour. Not much.
It does. It sort of tastes a little bit like the fruit, but
I've never tasted
They're
it.
weird.
I never tasted the fruit.
no. I've had them before.
Oh yeah, it's got a bit of flavour, so that's actually weird. I probably should only bit half of it.
Mm.
I don't like that.
They don't taste like anything. They just taste like their own thing. They're different.
Also very chewy, these ones.
Mm.
Lemon. Most lemon lollies I do enjoy. So just got the lemon. The lemon is not too powerful, but it's nice.
Mm.
Some lemon sherbets they put like too much lemon and it makes
Makes them too sour.
them not enjoyable. But this is nice.
Yeah.
So sherbet cones, other than the lychee, or whatever, however you say
Yeah.
it.
That,
If you want to criticise in the comments, go right ahead. I don't care. But yeah, other than that one, pretty nice.
okay, what was your favourite packet?
Probably the ice pops.
Yeah, these ones.
Yeah, I really like that lemonade when you hit it.
The
With that,
ice pops. Them ones.
the ice pops. Yeah, I really like when you hit the lemonade and the flavours of it.
Yep.
What about you?
Yeah, same.
Ice pops. Right. Well, on that note, we are going to be uploading weekly, more different
Hopefully.
foods. Hopefully.
Maybe.
We've got to hope that our Woolworths has new stuff. If not, it might take a little bit longer because then we've got to find another place to
Yep.
get the stuff. But we're aiming for weekly. So click the like button, which should be on watching video. I've done it before. Should be about here. Hit the subscribe button, which is somewhere around there, and share. Tell your friends. If you want to see different lollies, chips. I'm not. We're also going to not just try like snacks. I'm thinking like maybe sometimes go like different meats. Like if we're out somewhere like in our town, we've got no big fast food. If we go somewhere, maybe try new burgers on a McDonald's menu. Might try that as well. That's obviously not until we go somewhere. But until then, we'll see you at the next video.